What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be removing and replacing. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a flasher for turning signal. A lot of these Acuras, this is MDX, and let's figure out what year this one is. Let me just check on the sticker. This is a 2011 Acura MDX, but it doesn't matter what year Acura MDX. You could be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you put the turn signal on and the turn signal go click and brrr really fast, it could be the right side or the left side. It could be the right side is working, but the left side is not working. It could be the left side is working, but the right side does brrr. It starts to flash really, not click, 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 click fast, but it go brrr and then it shuts off, brrr, it shuts off. So that's indicating to you your flasher is bad. It's like a small little relay, so like a $40 piece. And I'm gonna show you exactly where it's at. So you need to get inside the vehicle. You want to get down here. Let me pull out the key so we don't hear that little beep. You see that little guy right there, that gray fat relay right there, the one I'm pointing at right now. What you want to do is, I have this e-brake down, so you see this e-brake, your foot brake, you just push this back so you have better access. So what you're gonna do is, it does have two little retainers. If you want to test it, what you can do is you can put the turn signal on, that works, and you can put your hand on it. You will feel you put your finger on it, you will feel a click, click, click. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this. So all you need to do is push on this tab and the tab on the opposite side, and you just pull out on this. It's gonna be really tough. Okay, my camera is probably not gonna see me do that, but I want to pull this out, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. All you need is a flathead. Oh, that piece broke. It's okay, it usually happens. And you're gonna hear that click if you try to wiggle it around. It's just a tight little spot. I'm gonna see if I can manage it with the hand. Okay, it's not coming out, so let me pull it out, then I'm gonna show you the piece. All right guys, I managed to get the flasher out. So all I did was pull on the two tabs on the edges. They usually will break, and the flasher comes right out, and it's very easy. You're just gonna have to move this harness away. Probably should take you no more than 10 minutes. And there's a part number here, I'm gonna read that to you, D750000. So that's 4 zeros, 5-0. And there's another part number down below. I don't know which one is the correct part, but you could try them both. You could check put it on eBay or Amazon. There's a number right down here. It's like a shiny silver color here, 2770, like Apple 2. So those are the numbers on this guy, and it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 pins. And all I did was I used a needle nose, and that's the one I used right there to grab it, and I yanked it out. And to put this back in, it's very easy and simple. Okay, so the process of putting a new one back in is much simpler than taking out the old one. And I still haven't got the new piece. It's probably gonna take a day. I ordered it from the dealer. It was about like $30 some, almost like $40, just to put it that way. It might be a little bit more expensive for you because I am a commercial account. Anyways, you can buy that piece and do yourself. And all you do is you take this little guy, and you see how I'm holding this? You see which there's like a space here. So we're gonna hold it the same direction. You simply gonna take this little guy and align it. This harness is gonna bother you a little bit, but once you get it in the position, all you have to do is push really hard, and you're done. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how simple it is to replace this flasher. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Again, the tip here is push this down so you have more space. Once you're all done, put your key on and you can test it. This one does act up once it heats up, but they both should be working smoothly. So right now it's not that hot, so it's not gonna give us any trouble. Thank you for watching again, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.